We know where Juniper's taking the briefcase. The headquarters of Zoraxis Defense is on an island in the middle of the Black Sea. Zoraxis is broadcasting all over the world, which means Juniper has set his endgame in motion. This is it, Agent. You'll be walking right into enemy territory. Well, if anyone can pull this off, it's you, Agent. Agent Phoenix.
We've all seen him on the big screen on the red carpet. He's
The Zoraxis employees are evacuating the building. Juniper must be getting ready to launch the nuclear missiles. Get to the top of the tower.
Welcome. Enjoy your ride.
All right, you're about halfway there. I think they're up ahead. Agent, you've got company!
Juniper, you good-for-nothing degenerate. You just wait until I get out of here.
What? Yes. Oh, thank goodness.
Come on, we need to move. Oh, thank goodness.
Good. Looks like the heads of state are going to get clear. How do we get this elevator back up and running?
Up and running.
Fortunately for you, I'm afraid that this isn't a pizza. And I'm not the premier. Courtesy of yours truly, the world's greatest actor. The world's governments are, as of this moment, under new management. Ha! You look like you don't believe me. Well, let me make it easier for you. Your previous heads of state have very generously handed over their nuclear codes. So I'm gonna launch a couple nukes, just to show you we're serious. What? Sorry, folks. I need to deal with some technical difficulties. Wait, Agent. Let's not be too hasty. You don't want me, you want Zor. I can tell you who Dr. Zor is.
No, Mr. Juniper. I don't think so.
Ha! What are you gonna do about it? There's nobody left in this building to stop me. I'm still running the show.
Mr. Juniper, you were never running the show. Fabricator, if you would.
Bye-bye, John.
What? Wait! Doctor,
What a disappointment. Your move, Agent.
Just focus. You can do this.
Clock's ticking.
Agent, you disarmed the nukes!
I see. If you survive this, Agent, I shall be in touch.
To the Earth Agency Board of Directors, from Agent Supervisor Sir Robert Melissim. This is my final report on the Juniper incident. Shortly after the television broadcast cut out, Zoraxis Defense Headquarters was destroyed in an enormous blast. The agent at the scene hereafter referred to as Agent Phoenix. Well, we haven't found a body yet. If they did survive. Well, right before they disarmed the warheads, Dr. Zor addressed the agent directly. If Zor's taken a personal interest, well, to be plain, it is my strong recommendation that we prepare for direct engagement. Thanks to Agent Phoenix, Zoraxis cannot operate in the dark anymore. Zor's strategy is already changing, and we need to be prepared for anything.